Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the CodeLens feature for the editor in the VSCode app. So let us guide you through this. So if you'd like to enable the CodeLens for your files and codes you create here on Visual Studio Code, what you need to do, guys, is navigate to your app settings here in the bottom left, click into that gear icon, choose settings. And now you need to navigate to either user workspace, depending on for which section you would like to apply this, and expand or click into text editor on the left hand side. And then, guys, you will need to scroll down a bit and you will find the CodeLens feature here, somewhere here. So we need to scroll down a bit, as you can see here to the right. So here, the CodeLens, in some cases it may be already enabled on default. But if that's not the case, click into that checkmark button here, and you may also click into that checkbox to the left and reset the setting for the CodeLens, or apply the setting to all profiles and also enable the synchronization. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.